How to remove your phone number from Reddit. Now, if you want to remove your phone number from your Reddit account, just simply tap to your profile and go to the setting by tapping into this setting button. After going into these settings, you just simply need to select account settings for your username under general. Tap to that and you will see a bunch of options along with the account informations of your account. Now you will see your phone number option here somewhere if you have connected phone to your account. Just like I have this option right here which says disconnect beside the Google account. This is because I have created the account with the Google option. But if you have your phone number listed, just simply tap to disconnect or change there, and after that just simply verify that it's you that is performing the action, and then your phone number will be removed from Reddit. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.